In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old chats in Microsoft Teams using the search and history features effectively. Whether you're trying to recall an important conversation, track down a specific message, or simply revisit previous discussions, knowing how to navigate Teams search functionality can save you time and enhance your productivity. Let's dive into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to https://teams.live.com. This is where you'll access the Microsoft Teams web interface. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will ensure the best experience while accessing your chat history. Once you're on the Teams page, direct your focus to the search bar at the top. This is your main tool for finding past conversations. You can use this search bar to type in the keywords related to what you're looking for. For instance, if you remember discussing a project, type in a keyword associated with that project. Alternatively, if you recall the person you were chatting with, simply enter their name. This flexibility allows you to pinpoint old messages even when you don't remember exact details. As you type, Microsoft Teams will provide suggestions and results in real time, which can help jog your memory or refine your search. Be sure to scan through these suggestions to see if your desired chat appears right away. This feature is designed to streamline your search process and can be a big time saver when trying to locate specific content. If you don't find what you're looking for immediately, don't worry. Keep in mind that spelling and phrasing can impact search results. Consider using different variations of your keywords to broaden your search scope. The Teams search function is quite powerful, but it's also influenced by the words you choose. So experimenting a bit can make a big difference in finding exactly what you need. Once you found the message or conversation you're looking for, click on it to open it in Teams. From there, you can view the full context, review past interactions, and retrieve any important details you might need for your current tasks. It's as simple as that. Remember, keeping your chats organized and regularly maintaining clarity in your conversations can help ease future searches. By utilizing the search bar effectively, you can navigate through your history with ease and stay on top of your projects and communications. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to find old chats in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your conversations more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity in Microsoft Teams and beyond. See you next time.